July or August. Let's fast forward a little bit, and it's smoking hot outside. And you got the air conditioner going, and your electric bill is just gigantic, and things are slow. Things are slow because it's a tradition. The summer slowdown comes, and it happens every year. July, August is slow, and then picks back up in September. And it's not your fault. This is customers being kind of wonky. You know, customers will go on vacation. Decision makers are gone, and things are going to slow down. It's amazing to me how many people believe that. All of that is a lie. You can't say the summer slowdown has nothing to do with you, because I think it has everything to do with you. It has something to do with what you do or don't do in the months before that. So this sales tip is coming out the last week of April, and I'm here to tell you this is your last chance to have a good summer. What kind of a commitment can you make in May? Something simple, like I will make 10 sales calls a day, 5 sales calls a day, something like that for the month of May. This generates momentum. It's almost like the sales gods are looking over out of the clouds, because that's where they live, and man, maybe it's at the bar. Anyway, they're looking out and they're saying, is this guy putting in the effort? If he is, let's give him a great summer. In July or August, if things are slow for you, own it. Don't say this is because of anything else, but because you didn't do your job in April, May, June. Own it. Learn from it and don't do it again. If you want to have a really good summer, this is your last chance to make it happen. Create some small, simple sales activity goals with a deadline. Keep it going day after day. Create that sales momentum. This is your last chance to make that happen. And next year, take this advice earlier. Have a great selling week.